If somebody having a problem to take off the mosquito screen, window screen from basement windows, I show how to do it. Yeah, but please understand, I already replaced for the new screen and installed it back. Now I will take and I show how to remove it. And it has to be spring on the top. You have to pull up this window. Just pull up and try to take from one corner and slow like that. Okay, you see, and I take off this screen. Okay, and it has a two side. One side having something like an air protection from one side installed, which I mean probably help to stay this screen closer to each Windows frame, but I don't understand anyway because it's hole everywhere here. It's a screen. It's having small hole against mosquito. Okay, now I will install it back and show how to install it back. It's the same procedure. I'm taking this up. Okay, taking this up and closer to the middle and putting this in the tray and slow moving in that direction. Okay, and it's now Windows screen is installed, and I can close it, and I open and close it. I'm doing it after I replace the screen to show how to, because I just didn't think I need to put this part to my movie. Now I will show how to replace the screen. My previous one was damaged by animal. I don't know which one, because I seen raccoon in my yard, I seen skunks, and I seen rabbits, fox, and I don't know which of them destroys this screen. Animal destroys this one, and first I have to remove this screen. How I will remove? I will use knife, something sharp one. Okay, I found the edge where it started. It started here, and I will try to take this out. You see, it's very easy. I took it like that and removing gently and slow. Rubber ring, rubber cord around where is a track for a screen. And now I'm taking off this screen. House is relatively new, just a few years old, and this screen is not old. I have piece of screen left from something which is going to be enough for a new one, and I have this rubber cord, but this rubber cord is for different sizes from entry door screen, which is thinner and it will do not work well for here. And I will use the same one because it's nothing with that. And I don't want to go around to the store and buy a new one. So I have here two tools. You can use plastic one, it doesn't matter which one. This is better. Okay, in the same reason I put it here, and I will start from here. Why from here? Because I would like to use the same pattern which I have already. Okay, and I put it here. And now this side from here. Okay, if we will use a new one, I should go step by step forward in the forward. Don't start from the corner. I'm starting with corner because I already have this corner. Because I'm reusing this rubber line or cord or whatever. Like that, yeah. Okay, now we have to do here. Yeah, okay, now we have to do everything more accurate. Let's start from this corner. I mean, push and make it not high, and push as deep as I can, and pushing rubber line as deep in track I can. Wasp is flying. It's September now, and there are lots of wasps around. I'm here in South Ontario. Okay, this part is good. Let's do this part. As deep as possible. and go around and check I did not miss anything. No, everything good. Now I'm going to take a cutter. Yes, I'm removing, but I have to be very carefully. I'm removing as extra screen. Using cutter for that. Very accurately going around. And remember, you can remove it and you can very easy cut your finger or cut screen which is installed. In this case, you have to be very careful. But actually have to be careful everywhere you're doing. Once I install and I was installed screen already, I cut somewhere in the corner and I should do installation again. It's cost me extra money because I did for customer during my handyman career, and I cut somewhere here, not accurately. Yeah, and you see, nice and sweet screen, brand new, better than new. And job is done.